Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today we have a very well maintained SuperTec CNC grinding machine. It's in pristine condition. The machine is a G32P-60 CNC, 12-inch diameter swing. Distance between centers 24 inches. Max load is 330 pounds. You have a Renaissance Pro, hydraulic tailstock, the latest FANUC Oi Mate-TC. Very little amount of hours and runtime on it, as you can see. It also has a VFD to control the speed of the wheel. Comes with a magnetic separator and a mist buster, as well as an oil separator. Everything on the machine sounds impeccable. The servo motors, the spindle. If you have any questions or want any more information on this machine, you can visit our website at machinestation.us or give us a call at 909-919-9600. Thank you for watching.